I'm a lonely lighthouse, not a ship out in the night. I'm watching the sea. She's come halfway around the world to see the light and to stay away from me. There is a shipwreck lying at my feet, some weary refugee from the rolling deep. Ah, could you lose it all and fall for me? Couldn't we shine?